Hey there, salespeople. Are you ready to make more money? Well, get ready because today I'll reveal the ultimate sales secrets that skyrocketed my income and can skyrocket yours too. Welcome to the Savvy Sales Lady channel, and I'm Christine Harrington. I'm here to help you close deals. Bam! Back in my corporate insurance selling days, I did what I'm about to share with you to make more money. Secret number 1, examine your selling habits. Just for giggles, for one day, make a list of every activity you do. Go back and grade each activity with S for selling activity and B for busy work. A follow-up email is not a selling activity. Delivering a quote or proposal over the phone is a selling activity. Meeting with a prospect to close a deal is a selling activity. Sending an email campaign is not. 80% of your day should reflect selling activities where you close deals. You can double your sales in 30 days by changing this one habit. I did, and so have the sales teams I've coached, and you can too. I have case studies to share if you're interested. Secret number 2, stay with me on this one. There's gold in your CRM. A few of my coaching clients recently took me up on this challenge of finding prospects that kind of fell through the cracks and those that were not followed up on. When you do this, humble yourself to the prospect, apologize, and ask if it's too late to get back on track. My coaching clients closed a few more deals, and the ones that already went to another vendor agreed to a conversation down the road. Try this tip. Secret number 3. Now this is a no-brainer, but I'm always amazed that salespeople I coach can't explain their comp plan. Understand your compensation plan so you can take advantage of every income-producing benefit. Secret number 4, create your leads. Yes, you create your own leads through referrals. It's the easiest way to generate leads, but it's an area salespeople neglect. Take one of your happy clients to lunch and ask the client to bring someone who could benefit from your product or service. I did this twice a month in my corporate days, and it paid off. The key to referrals is not asking for a referral too soon. Wait until the client has used your product or service for 6 months and is happy. Keep in touch with the client monthly, and when you ask to take them to lunch and to bring a potential referral, it will seem like a natural part of business. So now, those are your 4 tips. Unlock your full earning potential by putting these secrets into practice as I've done for decades, and as I teach my clients to do the same. Are you ready to unleash your inner sales superstar? Then let's close deals the savvy way. Be sure and subscribe because I'm testing new cold calling openers that I'll be sharing with you soon. Hit the notification bell so you'll be alerted when it becomes available. Thanks for watching this video. And remember, sales is a journey, not a quick trip around the block. I'll see you on the next video.